Stay African and feel the rhythm. Beautiful cultures, savannas and highlands. Stay African and feel the breeze coming from far away. Take us through space. There is beauty deep inside. Oh, the charm, the grace and poise. Feel the earth, it trembles on an African woman. I know it's a part of me. Breathtaking views and the fact that we believe we are the cradle of humankind. Stay African. 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 Oh yeah. So breathe the air of Africa and feel the wonders there within. The food, the style, the way of life is divine. Our home and land of Africa with endless possibilities.